Yung gospel natin ngayon ay napakaganda sapagkat it illustrates how mercy restores the dignity of the other. Levi, despised by many for his profession, experiences a profound transformation through Jesus' mercy. By simply reaching out to him, Jesus acknowledges Levi's worth and potential. He restores Levi's dignity, not by condoning his past actions, but by offering a path to a new life. Sa ating mga sariling buhay, alalahanin natin na ang mercy ay powerful instrument for restoring our dignity and that of others. Hindi ba't maraming kwento sa buhay na kinawaan sila at talaga namang nagkaroon ng radical change? When we extend compassion and forgiveness, we recognize the intrinsic value in each person, regardless of their past mistakes. In doing so, we imitate Christ and contribute to the healing of wounded souls. Ikaw, handa ka bang maging daluyan ng habag at awa ng Diyos na laging naghahangad na ma-restore ang dignity ng iba as Jesus did for Levi? G ka ba?